Hello all. Today I am going to teach 8th chapter of CBSE 10th trigonometry. Okay? Trigonometry. Trigonometry, the chapter name itself, it is telling three words are combining together here. So what is that? Tri. Tri means three. It is three. Okay. Gonia. Actually it is gonia in the Greek word actually it is. So gonia in sense this is angles. And metri means measures. So three angles measure it is. Okay. So in this full trigonometry we are going to deal only the right angle triangle. Only the right angle triangle we are going to read throughout the chapter. Only right angle triangle. You don't see any obtuse angle triangle. You don't see any acute angle triangle over there. Only right angle triangle you are going to deal with here. Okay. Three angles measured in sense it is like one angle. Here one angle. Three angles you have in this triangle and three sides you have. Okay. You already know this is a hypotenuse. Why I am telling it is hypotenuse, guys? Because this is 90 degree. Largest angle opposite is longest side. Right. Largest angle having the largest side. Okay. So this is hypotenuse. Theta if it is there. Angle if I make theta over here means this is the, here it is opposite side. This is opposite. And this is here adjacent. For theta, first of all, you see, theta is here, opposite is opposite side, and it hypotenuse, you know, the remaining side is the adjacent side. Here we are seeing the trigonometry ratios. Main thing is sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay, and then we have to the reciprocal ratios they have. It is cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. First of all, I will explain what is sin, what is cos, and what is tan. Then I will explain it further. Okay, sin theta. Sin theta in sense, the formula is a ratio, it is formula. It is opposite side. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cos theta, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Then tan theta. Tan theta is what? Here, whenever you divide the sin and cos, you will be getting tan. So, opposite side by adjacent side. So, sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, this is a basic formula. You have to learn this. Okay. Then, to remember this formula, I will tell some funny thing here, right? So, this is so, ka, toa. So, ka, toa. In sense, the sin is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Okay. This is a mantra like, right? So, ka, toa. Is sin is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to a by h. It is adjacent by hypotenuse. And t is equal to o by a, which is opposite by adjacent. Okay. The reciprocal also we will see. Side by side we have to see the reciprocal also in this. So, cosine theta. The reciprocal of this is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is just reciprocal at hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Okay. Cos theta reciprocal is secant theta. Secant theta is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay. Then tan reciprocal is cot theta. Then it is adjacent side by opposite. Okay, these only 6 terms only you are going to use throughout the chapter, guys. So sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Okay, sine theta in sense, don't feel like this is sine into theta. Theta is something I can separate those. No, don't think like that. Sine theta is a function. You cannot separate it. Right? Sine theta is a function. Cos theta is a function. It is. It's not like, it doesn't mean like sine into theta. It is not like that. It is sine theta as a function. Okay. The next concept I will tell. Two identities, in this identities, 3 formulas I have. 3 formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These 3 formulas for identities you are going to use. Actually, this is not 3 formulas, right? This is like 9 formulas. Why I am telling 9 formulas here? Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Then sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is the second. So cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square, it is a third. Again, the same thing you can do here also. So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay. Then secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 again. Again here also you can do it. 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Right. Then 1 minus cosecant square theta is equal to minus cot square theta. So this way you can rearrange the formulas and you will be getting many combinations of formula. This is a basic formula, but okay, now I am going to prove how, ma'am, this is sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. How you are getting this? Right, we want some proof right here. No? So first of all, I will tell you the proof for sin square plus cos square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How I am getting this? Already I told you. Trigonometry will be always deal with 90-degree triangle, right angle triangle. This is here 90 degree. So is opposite, it is hypotenuse, and this is opposite, and this is adjacent, because here theta. Okay, first of all theta you have to write here, right? So this is theta, opposite is opposite here, and adjacent then hypotenuse. Whenever theta is here, this is opposite, guys. Okay, wherever theta you are writing, there only it is opposite will go. If theta, if you write here, then opposite will go here. Then opposite side will be this one. So I place theta over here, then this is the opposite side. Okay, A, B, C. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, I need to prove. Right. Now I am giving the side value, I am giving this is x, this is y, and this is z. I am giving x, y and z. Okay. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse, y by z. Am I right? Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse, y by z. Okay. What is sin square theta then? What is sin square theta then? Y square by z square. Okay. Then what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So x by z. Then what about cos square theta? X square by z square. Add both. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to x square plus y square by z square. I am adding both, right? Z square LCM if you take, denominator is same, you have to take the denominator as it is, then add the numerator. So x square plus y square by z square. Here, got it. Ma'am, this is 1 is here. What is this? You got something else. Wait, what actually is happening here? You know the Pythagoras theorem, right? So z square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the two adjacent square. X square plus y square. Z square is equal to x square plus y square. So in the place of x square plus y square, I applied z square by z square, cancelled, I got 1. So it's proved. Sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In the same way, you will be getting two formulas it is there. You can do the very same method. Like very same method, what are the formulas you apply according to that, then we can do it. Okay. Thank you guys.